Nuvemshop Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and additional resources are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Nuvemshop for dropshipping, breaking down its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's ideal for. Let's jump right in. Nuvemshop, also known as Tienda Nube in some regions, is a popular e-commerce platform tailored to Latin American entrepreneurs. It's designed to help users build and scale their online stores with ease, and it integrates well with dropshipping suppliers such as AliExpress, Spocket, and Printful. Nuvemshop makes it simple to import products, manage inventory, and automate order fulfillment. The platform offers a range of customizable templates, so even those with no technical skills can create a professional-looking store. One of the key features is its multi-language support, which is ideal for entrepreneurs targeting customers in Latin America and beyond. Nuvemshop's biggest strength lies in its user-friendliness. It provides an intuitive drag-and-drop builder that makes setting up an online store quick and straightforward. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing dropshipping business, Nuvemshop offers a solid foundation for both beginners and experienced users. It also supports multiple payment gateways, which is crucial for catering to different markets. Additionally, Nuvemshop's integration with popular dropshipping suppliers ensures that you can focus on marketing and growing your business, while the platform handles the back-end logistics. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. While Nuvemshop is easy to use, it lacks some advanced features found on other platforms like Shopify. For example, the app marketplace is smaller, which may limit your ability to add certain functionalities or integrations. Additionally, while the platform is great for small to medium-sized stores, it may not be the best choice for larger, more complex businesses that require advanced reporting or inventory management tools. Who is Nuvemshop for? It's ideal for small to medium-sized businesses or entrepreneurs looking to launch a dropshipping store in Latin America. If you need an affordable, user-friendly platform with strong regional support and integrations, Nuvemshop is a great option. However, if you require a more robust solution with advanced features, you might want to look into other platforms. That's the full review of Nuvemshop for dropshipping. Straightforward and to the point. If you're interested, be sure to check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce insights.